Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Before I start this video, I would like to say go follow all of our socials. They'll all be in the description below. Seth's here.
Again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's part, I think, 4.
Something like that.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh,
so
well,
we officially got flashlights, new flashlights.
Alright.
Let me flip the...
I'm legit using a flashlight to so
show a flashlight.
Yeah. This is a flashlight, guys. We got another one.
Yeah, let me kind of
like that one. And we also got headlights on our heads. So.
Yeah, because last video we realized that the quality was kind of fuzzy. Trust me, dog. We are going to be going on the roof again. No doubt. Thank you for my flashlight. Oh, turn on headlights. Put them on dim. Wait, do we actually need them? Sorry, I gotta make sure my light's on because this other one's so dang bright. Where is my...
Do you need help?
Yeah, I can't see it.
Alright, let's move.
Oh, I turned it on. Okay.
We're gonna have extra light.
See now, then we won't waste 5 minutes trying to get inside the dang building, dog. Wait. Looks like
the camera can see.
I know. Looks like they're... Well, what is it?
I don't know.
See? Honestly, I'm a little scared right now. I don't know why. I'm getting weird vibes. Unlock the screen door. Okay? Open it.
This thing's useless. I don't know about you guys. But...
Here, let's go. Last time we were here, we're quiet, and if you guys are wondering why, it's because there's cops like right next door that live here.
Oh, there is.
That kid, remember that house right there with the dude? And he like came out and saw us. So we were skeptical that time. Yeah. It's okay. We're good. Hey yo! Dude, they were working here.
Oh, they added these stairwell things.
They added those last time.
No, they didn't.
Yes, they were. If you go look at the other video, they were there.
Alright.
I'm trying not to blind you.
Alright, guys.
Peace.
We are going to be exploring this house. We're probably going to try and go up there.
There's someone here. Open the window. Shit, dog. Grab your head. Hurry up.
Wait. How do you do it?
I don't know. Hurry.
Turn this.
Why don't I? Shit, you gotta go. Oh, God. Grab your hat. It's over here. Shh. No. Shut up. It's fine. No, we don't. It's okay, dude. Chill. Look for whoever honked. Oh. I'm scared right now. I don't know if you guys heard that. I'm putting my headlamp in my pocket, dog. Sorry, guys. You guys won't be able to see this. This is probably...
Should we get out on the roof?
Oh, you literally broke the dang thing. Oh. Okay. Yeah, we gotta evacuate. Turn it, dim it. Sorry about that. Wait. Sorry, that's just the floor. Wait. Okay, let's go. Oh shit. Sorry. We gotta get out of here. You sure?
Yeah, we gotta get out of here from the back.
Okay, we gotta hurry. Okay, guys, we'll come back here in like 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, hurry. Turn off your lights, keep them on. Okay. I almost fell down the stairs. Wait, it's okay. Okay. Okay, don't turn the light on. Dude. Go. Evacuate to the back. Remember? Fucking. Sorry, guys, for the foul language. Wait, Seth, it's okay. Oh my god.
No, bro, we got that. That was 100% at us, though.
Yeah, I know. Okay, we have to actually, guys, we're gonna have to run.
No, we're gonna run.
Wait. Shoot, cop sirens, go. Oh, shoot.
It's okay, guys. We're going from here, alright?
We have this trail. Hey. They're probably only getting wind right now, but whatever. Okay, we're good. Look at that. Hey, see the last video I literally said that wasn't gonna be the craziest thing. And here we are. Alright.
I think somebody drive by honked. They might be calling the police.
Shoot. Bro, can you hold the tripod in your pocket?
Bro, I can't hold this.
Just straighten it out. The tripod we're using, something broke off of it, and it made it really bad. So we evacuated to this.
Show them where we are.
So we're in this trail right now. Oh, we need to evacuate to this neighborhood. I guess we're on.
If we go that way, it's just straight.
Okay, so we're gonna be on the run from the cops.
If I see
Yeah. I heard sirens. Did you hear sirens?
No. There's that honk definitely had us.
I know.
Those cops were shooting on us.
Guys, I hope you guys heard that. That was insane.
Yeah, we're not honking. What's the back one?
That's the zip line back there. We should, where do you want to go? Because we need to make quality out of this video. We can't just have us running away. But we kind of have to run away. Wait. Did they pick out the doggies? The roof roughs? We'll come back in like 20 minutes. So, should I cut the video right now?
Yeah.
Alright, guys.
We'll be back later once it dies down, alright?
Yeah, just so you know, there were... Seth!
We'll get it. If it's gone, bro, we know somebody's been there.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna cut the video right now. We will be back. Guys, we're doing an outro, dog! Oh my god.
Alright, we'll see you guys later.
Yeah, we will record back. Okay. So, alright, so we're back. We made it to a new house thanks to this kid right here. He's another member of Crazy Bros. His name is Hudson. This is Seth. You already know him.
Yeah. So we're gonna be.
bro.
What we're gonna be doing is he's gonna be helping us out with some of these videos from now on, and yeah, he's officially part of the channel.
And same with you and me. And we need to introduce crew first.
Guys.
Look at this. We made it to a new house because of this kid. We gotta be hella like really quiet.
Wait, from the house. Guys.
Oh, frick!
That's scary.
Imagine seeing Bugs Bunny with the belt walk out and then Law and Order plays.
Guys, I want
No, now we're making memories together, all three of us.
There's a door over here.
Come on, get in. So here, get in all.
Oh, this is the pantry. Should we get in?
Yeah, okay.
Dude, this is
So, food. I love food. Actually, oh no. Lights. Lights.
Like, put it in your hand.
So when we say lights, that means it's turn off. Okay. Okay, we're good. I just heard a car like on the gravel. Okay, get in this. Get in this.
Bro, this is
Alarms, Seth. Alarms. Think about it.
You are right.
This house has garages. It's almost finished. Okay, go. Get in. You two get in first, and then someone take my camera, please. Because I don't want to drop it.
I'll follow you.
Okay, 1 minute. I need to make a quick. Dude, I'm going full Bravo 6 mode. Look at this. Look at me, how I'm holding my phone. Look. I'm holding it like I'm holding a pistol. Okay, grab the camera. Be careful with it. Don't grab the lens on the back of it.
Here, let me close this so no one can figure out we're in here, alright?
This is scary, bro.
Close it.
Yes, it is. You're officially a part of the channel. Inside. Oh, this house is.
Oh, there's a lot of windows.
It's warm. Shh. Wait.
Yo, the downstairs.
No, I'm kind of freaking out right now.
Dude, is this
Because I heard thuds.
Yo,
Is there an upstairs?
guys, keep the flashlight away from the windows. It's easy target. Why you
Like Hudson.
turn your flashlight? That's emergency, you know. Is this something? Oh, I thought this was. Dude, that was unlocked. Wait, it was?
No, don't open it. Turn on. Oh, okay. Perfect. Okay, that's good.
Well, how does this Oh, guys, when you're by windows, turn your lights off, Brady.
Oh, those are water heaters. This is the laundry room.
Shut up. I mean,
Actually,
I said wussy.
Oh, I
Chill.
said something else.
Bro.
Sorry if
Wait,
is swearing in the first part.
Guys, turn your flashlight on. Lights on.
Oh, wait. Look over here. We're up top. This isn't even the start. Oh, no. Never mind. That's just a deck. I need to show them real quick. Oh, look behind. Turn off your lights.
Alright, I'll turn on my light, but it'll be like this. Brady, what the fuck? Turn your light on.
Oh, this is weird.
Turn your light off.
Dude, that looks scary. Like,
Bro, this place is huge. We don't even know. Brayden, you gotta turn your light off when you're doing these things, alright?
No. It's
Always one of us keep our light on. This area, somebody can legit imagine a cop pulling up right in that neighborhood and then come like walking this way with dogs.
we'd have a quick escape.
I would go through that door, go through the garage.
There's
and
weird
run.
lines on the camera. I don't know why I see that. Oh, wait.
It's alright.
Well, I know that happened in my first video. It was really annoying.
Why do you keep on doing that?
My flashlight's really sensitive. I'm being serious. I don't even have to touch it.
You guys,
Here, fine, then we'll switch flashlights.
Okay.
you guys willing?
Yeah, no. You have to explore the full house first. Closet.
Alright, let's go this way, right here, this way.
Oh, I swear I just saw something move down there, bro.
Chillax, guys.
It's okay. And if we do, we have flashlights. We can blind them, beat them up, or her.
Alright, this is master bedroom of bed.
It has to be master. No, wait, no, it's not.
Yeah, this is, because look, the big.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah.
This is where the shower.
Lights.
Alright, guys. This is the escape route, alright, if things get too out of hand.
Okay, be careful. Mud. Just remember the mud, okay? Looking behind is scary. Oh
wait, there's a way in here.
no, it's master.
That goes to the end in the walk-in closet.
That is trippy. You guys can prove me.
Yeah, that is trippy.
That's trippy.
Alright.
I'll be the backup light, bro.
Alright.
Yeah, how about we all have positions? I'll be front position because I'm holding the camera most of the time. Seth will be middle, and Hudson will be back. Or you could be front. Like, we don't really have to have assigned positions, but, you know.
No,
When I'll tell you guys when to turn off your lights because things.
Another bathroom. Lights. Like, facing towards the floor. Open the closet for me so I can show them the closet.
You're the loudest person.
I stepped on paper mache.
Gives a crap.
I stepped on paper mache, and now I stepped
This
on...
would be a lip.
Dude, look how big that thing is, bro.
Look how big
Let's
that
go.
deep, man.
Machine.
Oh, this is the room for the kids.
Or this
This is
is...
the room for kids.
Bro, just think about this. Okay, if I ever have this house, this room would be bunk bed, under the bunk bed,
Oh, yeah.
the setup, you know? You can see that, yeah.
Lights off. There's a car.
Lights. Hudson.
Hudson.
Oh right, it's a two tap. No, it's a two tap. Just put it in your side.
When you do it, just put it on your hand.
People running into the church. No, just
No. Here, wait. We gotta see what they're doing. All right. Okay. Turn your light off. Keep them off. All right.
we need backgrounds.
Dude,
Backs.
that's
Backs. Watch the backs.
No, don't watch the backs.
People. Wait. No, that's not people. Bag that flew. Oh, sorry.
I swear that car just turned on all of a sudden. It was wet.
No, it's okay. We're
You
good.
want me to be more direct light or?
Yeah. Be more direct light. Your light is nice. Our lights are nice. Yo, Seth.
I didn't notice that.
Mountain Dew. Seth, this is the Mountain Dew we got at the gas.
There's a car.
Lights. Oh, sorry.
Guys, turn off your lights. Keep them off. Do not flash them out the windows.
They're going.
Guys, we are deeply sorry for like us not being like as brave in this, because if the cops are truly after us,
They'll probably see it. Is this your house?
Turn off lights.
chill. Sorry.
No, like they were literally about to turn around to us.
It's okay.
They are. Wait, no.
I bet you that's like the bishops and everything.
Bryn,
That's fine.
when we say lights.
I know. I didn't mean to do that.
No one cares about the camera quality at this
Yeah,
point.
just
No,
make
chill. No. It's because I looked down that I was putting the bottle away. Because if I dropped the bottle, it was on a loose grip. If I dropped it, it would have been even louder.
They turned the car off.
Someone got out.
No, we gotta see.
Lights. No.
We gotta see what they're doing.
I'm making sure.
No. Oh, okay.
I'm just making sure.
It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. And even if people did come, we could just be like, we're workers, we're just checking out the
Also,
house.
No, we'll just say
Wait,
my dad owns this company and he sent us over to check it out.
No, don't open it.
No,
Don't-
I was just making sure.
Oh. Wait.
We'll
just-
open this for
We need this to
another
be
one.
escape route.
yeah.
Wait, just leave it open like that.
Yeah.
No screen.
So then if
Seth, getting mad at me for saying I know. Okay, you want to go explore the downstairs?
Alright, let's
here, I'll go downstairs first.
Yeah,
No, well, it actually doesn't matter who's first and who's last. Just everyone just go. And if Hudson saw someone down there, well then Seth, I got practice from you, because remember when every time you chase me up the stairs, I could even get even faster.
downstairs are not gonna have as much windows and
We need to make sure the area is like. No, we need to secure the area.
open this window for downstairs.
No. We need to check everywhere, okay? Right now.
We need to have escape routes everywhere.
Hudson, because if you actually saw someone, like, we fought, did you think you saw someone?
No.
You did?
No, it must have been like in the tree.
Well, it feels night.
Right.
Okay.
Wait,
We need to check the boiler room, the back rooms.
do we want to open all three because it's gonna be really slow to get all of us out.
No, it doesn't matter. It's not like we're gonna have to actually run from the cops, right? Not yet, at least. Okay, split up. No, I'm just kidding.
Let's go this way.
Wait. Nope, nothing.
Let's just go under the stairs.
Wait. Okay, let's go.
The boiler room's always the scariest, bro. Just get down. It's not even.
No, don't skip it. Wait, pause.
Dude, this is huge. Like, look at this.
Dude, we could have it. Oh, it's soundproof.
It's soundproof.
Hello? If this was a freaking mine shaft in Hudson Valley, bro, I'm gonna be so mad at you, bro.
Me? Oh.
I'm like, bro,
Do we play Rainbow Six Siege?
wait, we haven't went here yet.
Ow.
Flash them out of you. That's a nice
I mean, the Dr. Pepper.
Frick. I stepped on a nail. Owie.
Bro, I know how that feels. Bro, I was bare skin, bro.
Dude, if there's anybody moving the window for me,
Wait, should we use this one as another?
No, we don't need as much escapes. Except for that room.
Wait.
The one room with the door closed.
Oh.
That's funny.
I'm about to FBI open it.
Do you want to try? Wait. Lights. That one. Good.
Bro, we don't even know where we are.
Go. Stop doing it.
I'm sorry, I just my mind.
Wait, I just gotta be on the ready to switch.
FBI, open. Do it.
I'm getting ready to.
Oh, it's another little room. Do you guys wanna?
Is there other houses around this that we could do as well? We could do this like a little bit special.
Oh, that scared me.
What?
Lights.
That was the door.
Oh, that's a door. You heard the little bounce thing too? Okay.
That's cool. That's all of it.
Wait.
That's all.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, is there another house by here, Hudson, that we could like...
Oh, this video's too, like, it's getting really
guys-
long. We got.
It might be getting really long.
How long have we been recording, bro?
I don't know how long. I think well, I actually probably. Shut. Oh my God, Seth, you're literally getting mad at me for being too loud.
It's not that I'm getting mad at you, it's just I'm getting cautious.
Oh, okay.
Yo. There's boards on the porch.
Yeah, that's the Porsche. Oh shoot, be careful. Yeah, you don't know.
Step on.
Distribute your weight evenly. Be careful on this one.
Seth, chill.
See, look, this is a perfect escape route.
Someone close that door. Someone. Let's leave right now. So close the door. We have to close the door. Here, I'll close it. Oh, okay. Because if
Or
the
we could, never mind, I'll see if we can try and get up there.
Okay, they're gonna know something.
oh, that's scary. Seth.
They're definitely gonna see the windows open.
Check under, show them under.
Let's get it.
Turn off your lights. Wait, is that house finished over there?
No, it's not. It has a dumpster in front of it, Seth, and the windows are plastic.
Don't say it's not that.
Yo, I wanna go check
You guys
out
want
that
to go
house.
that
Hey, do you guys want to do the outro?
Yeah, we'll do the outro
This
and we'll
will-
just explore.
This is part 2. This is part 2 of that house. If it's not
Alright,
finished
guys,
yet.
if you wanna
Wait, shine the lights. Shine the lights at you guys, so you can see you.
No, you vlog yourself.
Okay, wait, no.
No, just vlog yourself.
Turn off your light. Turn off your light.
Alright.
And you, Hudson. I can show you. Okay, but who wants to? You guys can do the outro.
Alright, guys, thank you for watching, and you do the rest.
Please subscribe, like, share the video with your friends, and stay tuned for part 2 of this construction site because we're gonna explore that one.
All right, peace.